a fortune teller. First, fold it in. Wait. Make a square and fold it in half. Then fold it in half in the other way. And now it looks like this. And then fold a triangle like this, and do on the four corners. Now it should look like
Last time I introduced
this.
her to a guy, she froze everything.
Now flip it over and do the same things. Repeat it.
You too, Olaf.
Me?
Just
And then
Okay.
flip it. When you're done, it should look like this, and then flip it, and then fold it in half. Now it should look sort of like this.
It looks so beautiful.
Now unfold it, and then do this,
it's me, Anna.
and then you're done. And how to play with it, you just do this.
You got
Open it, close. That's how you do it.